Hey, I'm Barrett, and today I want to show you how to add your company logo to Dealer Admin and Virtual Keypad. Let's get started. Once you log into Dealer Admin, scroll down to Settings and select Dealer. On the Dealer Settings page, select the Logos tab. Here you'll see a place to upload logos. One logo that looks good on a dark background. This is for Virtual Keypad Mobile. And one logo that looks good on a light background. This is for Dealer Admin and Virtual Keypad Browser. To upload a new logo, simply select the Upload button. This will browse your computer and allow you to select a new logo. Select the logo that looks good on a dark background, then click Upload. Then select the logo that looks good on a light background. After you've uploaded your logo, you can preview what this will look like. Here you can see that logo on a dark background in Virtual Keypad. You can also view the light background logo. Once you upload these logos, select Save. When you're finished, you'll notice that your logo is now in Dealer Admin. Your company logo in Dealer Admin and Virtual Keypad is a very important part of your end user's experience with your company. This is how they identify who to contact in the event of an issue with their system, any help they may need, or when telling others about the services that you provide. And that's how to add your company logo to Dealer Admin and Virtual Keypad.